doing science experiment and using mathematics in our day-to-day life. Wow, it's amazing. Hi everyone, this is Govind. I'm 13 years old and I study in class 8. In this video, I will share my experience with Alieods. You might think I'm an English medium student, but no, I'm a fully Odia medium student. Studying in a government school, and most importantly, I belong to rural areas. I joined Alieods before 2 months ago. Before 2 months, I was weak in English and science is boring for me. After joining, my English was improved and doing science experiment is just fun.